All right, you guys happy with your greenhouse?
We're not only happy, we love it.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Today we have a cute 8x12 greenhouse we're gonna deliver. And it's gonna go right in the gravel there. This building's got a 2x2 window, it's got a workbench inside, and then it also has a solar fan. We have a few different ways we can move the shed. I have our motorized machine option that we can use, but in this case, I'm gonna unload the shed right there in the grass, and then I'll just use rollers to wheel it into place. Okay, we got it set up on our roller, so now it's just a matter of pushing it. Okay, we got the building pretty much where we want it. We just need to adjust it just a little bit, and I'm gonna get it off the rollers and square it up and make sure the customer is happy with right where it's at.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Now we're good on my marks here.
Yeah, that's good. Do I?
Yeah, that's fine.
Like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, cool. Okay, we got the shed placed right where we want it, and now we just gotta make sure it's level. We'll be good to go. All right, we're all set. Got it all level. See there, it's got the workbench in the back and this cool solar fan. Keep it a little bit cooler when it gets real hot. All right, you guys happy with your greenhouse?
We're not only happy, we love it.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Gonna get lots of tomatoes and cucumbers this year.
Yes, absolutely. You guys did a beautiful
From
job.
the
It's
point of view of a carpenter and a contractor, good job.
Nice.
Quality.
Thank you.
Very well
We
done.
appreciate that.